Now for TradingView alerts, the sound, you can change it. You can use different types. You don't have to take what TradingView gives you. So let's sample all TradingView alert sounds. Let's just add an alert and go to notifications. Scroll down. First of all, we can disable play sound. But if you want the sound, let's just sample them all. There's 4 categories. Actually 5: classic, soft, nature, voices, and funny. So this is a simple one. A bit more extra. I don't like this one. Very annoying. Annoying as well. Birdie. Very annoying. This is okay, but a bit too much. And we can go softer. This is too much. Banjo. Minimal. I don't think so. No. This is okay. Kind of like this one. This is if you get 1 alert a week, because it's a bit too much. This is for massive alerts. You can use different sounds for different alerts at a time, so you can just change depending on the importance of the alert. This is nature. It's crazy. Okay, the nature alerts are a bit crazy. No way. Well, this is if you have overnight alerts. Maybe trading some crazy dollar-yen outside your trading hours. Thunder, creepy. It's okay. Wow. Voices.
Oh. Look at me.
Hey. Hey, take a look. Hey, psst. Guess what?
Attention.
Crazy. Super crazy. And let's finish off with funny ones. This is maybe when a target has been hit. You set an alert on price targets. Maybe on stops. Again, when you made money. You hit the jackpot. And lastly, very spacey. So 5 categories of TradingView sounds that you can use for alerts. Each alert can have different sounds. So feel free to play with them, configure them, and change. So this is how you can change your TradingView alerts on TradingView. Choose different sounds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool videos.